Welcome back to The Exchange. Shares of storm weather solutions company Advanced Drainage Systems are down 14% this month. They reported a steep drop in the agricultural business last quarter, ironically, because bad weather slowed down the installation of pipes. Still, KeyBank is not letting those short-term headwinds shake their long-term bullish thesis on the stocks. They say they're still encouraged by the brand's solid top-line trends. And speaking of long-term growth, take a look at how the stock has performed since its public debut 10 years ago today. It's up nearly 800%. Joining me now from the New York Stock Exchange is ADS CEO Scott Barbour. Scott, it's great to have you here.
Yeah, thank you for having me today.
And your systems seem as relevant as ever. In my own town, they're constantly putting in new drainage because they can't handle the overflow of water.
Yeah, I think that's not uncommon as we drive around the country, where we see a lot of installation of our products, stormwater products, as a result of more intense and frequent rain events. And we think this is a tailwind for our company. We have the right solutions to really mitigate flooding in these heavy rainfall events, and we're very focused on that.
I thought it was ironic you have some short-term headwinds because there's been so much rain you literally can't get some of those agricultural systems installed. How unusual is that?
Well, the agriculture business, it's not a huge segment for us. It was not good over the last couple of the last quarter, but our infrastructure business up 19%, our non-res business up mid-single digits, our residential business and our Infiltrator division up 6%. So while ag was not great, we have many other segments that are doing pretty well, and I think it really speaks to the diversification of our end markets in drainage.
Yeah, do you have significant kind of fiscal stimulus or benefit from those kinds of programs that supports demand on the infrastructure side?
Yes, we do. And I really think about this as the whole onshoring effect. We're benefiting from the IRA money. The Intel site, as you know, we're headquartered in Ohio. We see that really up close. EV batteries, sites that are coming online are being constructed. The IIJA money, roads, highways, airports. We have a lot of participation with not only our pipe products, but our storage products or our allied products. Think of these as accessories. I think we're active on 33 airport projects right now.
Wow.
So that money is definitely moving, and we see that in our results.
I think I ask it, in part to understand why the economy keeps going at a time when the Fed has jacked up interest rates, and because so much of this money is really still hitting the economy. And I don't want to ask you too political of a question, but do you pick a president based on whether those dollars might continue in the years to come?
Well, honestly, we think everyone can agree that good stormwater management, good on-site wastewater management, these are our products, are kind of bipartisan. No one likes a street that floods. No one likes a neighborhood that floods. No one likes a piece of property that is recently developed and doesn't have good water management. So we believe that, no matter which way this thing goes, that there's still a big need for water infrastructure. The EPA came out with something recently that they think there's like $600 billion that needs to be invested in water infrastructure over 20 years. Now, that's not just stormwater, that's drinking water, that's wastewater, that's all these types of things. But we think these are tremendous tailwinds for people in our business.
How big can your solutions get? We talk a lot about, like I said, in my neighborhood, okay, there's water down the street and it would be nice to get that taken care of. But if you're in parts of the country that experience massive flooding because of hurricanes or severe rain events, or look at what happened in the Northeast just the past couple days,
yeah.
I mean, can your company help to mitigate those effects or not?
Absolutely. We sell onto those projects every day. Our bread and butter is a good non-residential development, 5 acres to 5,000 acres, where we're providing not only the pipe that would go to move that water around, but the storm drains, storage. We clean that water up with filtration and separation and biofiltration and get it back into the watershed. And our solutions scale up very nicely. We're a very broad provider of these water management solutions across all kinds of different segments and properties, to tell you the truth.
No, it's fascinating, as we've actually done quite a bit on all of these different businesses trying to help with these efforts as they become more important. Scott, thanks for your time. And again, congrats on 10 years.
Okay, thank you very much.
And some decently sized returns, 800%. Scott Barbour with Advanced Drainage Systems.